Hello, my crochet lovers! So today I will teach you how to crochet this beautiful snowflake. So as many of you know, I usually make home decor. So I use 5mm cotton cord. This is gonna be a placemat. And this snowflake is made of 3mm cotton cord. That's why it's huge. I almost can use it like a placemat. But the main idea is to explain you how to make this. So you can use any other appropriate yarn to make it smaller. This snowflake is made of 2 rounds. So this is the first round and this is the second one. So it's very easy to crochet. Even if you are a crochet beginner, you will make this. Make chain 9. So first loop, second, third, eight, and then make a slip stitch to make a circle. So insert your hook into the last loop, yarn over, and pull through. Make chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now you should make treble crochet. It's in America. In UK, it's double treble crochet. But the main idea is that you need to yarn over twice. So yarn over twice, insert the hook into the ring, pick up the yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook, yarn over once again, and pull through both loops on the hook. So here is our 2 treble crochet, but this is like a chain. Then chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here you should make a small picot. So insert the hook here in this loop, yarn over and pull through and pull through. So like this. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and make 2 treble crochet. So yarn over twice, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through both loops on the hook, and make 1 more. Here are 2 treble crochet. So once again, chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a little picot. So once again, insert the hook here, pick up the yarn, pull through, and pull through once again. Then chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. And then make 2 treble crochet once again. And the second one. Like this. So we made this part, and now we should make 1 more, 2, and this one, this loop. So crochet the same pattern till the end of the round. By the way, you can hide the end of the yarn inside your crocheting, so like this. And here will be a little end, we will cut it. So I have made 6 pair of treble crochet. Now let's finish this round. Chain 5, picot, chain 3, and make a join. So insert the hook here between 2 treble crochet, yarn over, pull through, and make a slip stitch. Hop. Finished. Now let's move to the next round. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. A little picot. Up. Chain 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. A little picot. Chain 6 once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we should make this big picot. So insert the hook here and make your first picot. Then insert the hook into the next stitch and make second one, and insert the hook into the third stitch and make one more, like this. So next, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, one little picot, chain 2, 1, 2, and here we should connect this side and this by making double crochet. So yarn over once, and then find a place in the middle of 2 little picots. So here, insert the hook here in the middle, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through both loops on the hook. Now chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, a little picot, chain 4, and find your 2 treble crochet, insert the hook in the middle, pick up the yarn and pull through. So make a slip stitch. So this is our first sun ray, and you should make 5 more. So make 5 more, and I will show you how to make a connection. I have made my last part, and now I should make a join. So insert the hook where we have started this round here and make a slip stitch. That's all. Cut the yarn, hide it here inside the stitches, and then you should iron your snowflake. Maybe if you have another type of yarn, you should wash it and let it dry, and then iron. Look, so easy and so beautiful snowflake.